Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Now today's topic is a continuation of a previous video that I did earlier, which was introduction to set theory. So I would like us to do some actual examples to get the feel of. Now I would like to explain more on that topic in this video. Let's do some examples so I can better understand it. All right, now I have a question on the board and we're going to solve this problem together. All right. So it says here that let this be the universal set. Now this is a set of numbers from 1 to 10. Again, look at the use of the ellipsis. I do not want to write all the numbers, so I abbreviate using the ellipsis. Always put a comma before and after the ellipsis if there are subsequent numbers or elements coming after that ellipsis. But if there isn't anything coming after, you end with the dead dot here. So this shows that there is something in between that I do not wish to write because probably they are much. All right, so this is the universal set, and then we have two sets. Set A, which is the set of odd numbers up to 9, and B, numbers less than 7. So let us write down the elements of these sets A and B. Okay, set A is odd numbers up to 9, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. All right, and set B, which is numbers less than 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They said less than 7, meaning that 7 is not included in the mix. All right, now to the questions. Write out the members of the following set: A union B. A union B, like we discussed before, the union of two sets is the sum total of all the elements in the two sets without repetition. So union of set A and B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Remember, we don't repeat the recurring numbers. That is the answer to A. Now B, A intersection B. Intersection means what the two sets have in common. What are the elements that are in set A that also find themselves in set B? So we have 1. 1 is in the two of them. 3, 5, and that is all. These are the three elements that are common to A and B. Okay, let's go back to C. Now C is the union of A and the universal set. Now, let's write out the universal set in full for the purpose of answering this one so we don't omit anything. So the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so A union universal set means everything in A and everything in the universal. And because A is a subset of the universal set, the answer is just the universal set. Okay, A is a subset of the universal set because A can be found in the universal set. So your answer, the union of both of them is still the universal set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I choose 10, I do not want to write out all of them. So I make use of the tools that have been presented to me. All right. Now we have the A intersection, the universal set. The A intersection universal set. What is common between A and the universal set? What is here and also here? So we start with 1. We have 3. We have 5. We have 7. And we have 9. So basically everything in A, because A is a subset of the universal set, so everything in A will be the right answer. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you're the intersection of a subset and a universal set is that particular subset. All right. E, universal set intersection B. So this is the universal set intersection B. What do they have in common? Of course, the intersection of any subset and the universal set is that subset. So we have that this is the answer. So let's cross check. We have 1 here, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the answer to E. And then F. F says the union of the universal set and B. Union of universal set and B. That is everything in B and everything in universal set, which is basically everything in the universal set. So it's a repetition of the universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. That brings me to the end of this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. Subsequently, I'm going to be releasing more videos on sets until we completely exhaust the topic of set. We're going to be doing Venn diagrams on the next video and I'll show you what it's all about. Thank you for watching this particular video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like my video, leave a comment if you have a question or a suggestion or just want to make commentary, and share this video with people you think find this video helpful.